don't click out yet. Hello you guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Amanda. I don't usually look like this. Usually I do a full face of makeup when I'm doing these videos. This one really gave me a rough time. I filmed this video 4 times. And so the 4th time, the best I could get was one eye, so we're leaving it with one eye. We're not asking questions. Today we are doing day 15's look of my NYX Lippie countdown calendar. I wanted to do a New Year's Eve look for you guys, incorporating with this brighter lip because I know New Year's Eve looks are usually quite a bit dark, as we see over here with my black eye. So, I tried my best. Practice makes perfect, so you just gotta keep trying it, but I have to leave for a dentist appointment in a few minutes and I look like this, so I had to call it a day and we're gonna do one. So if you guys are not subscribed already, click that subscribe button down below and the notification bell, and go ahead and follow me on Instagram as well for lots of content, going live, all that fun stuff. And without further ado, let's just go ahead and get straight into this video. Hello you guys, today I think I'm going to be starting out this different a little bit. Hello you guys, today I'm going to be starting out this video a little bit different. I am literally like glow in the dark white right now. What is going on? Today I'm going to do my eye makeup before I do my face makeup, just because this is going to be like a pretty dark look. I've had a lot of comments saying that people think that this will really like improve the look. So we're gonna give it a try today. Today we are going to be going into day 15. Today we have this soft matte lip cream in the color Monte Carlo. Why do I feel like we already had this color? Like not this color, but like Monte Carlo. Maybe I'm wrong. Please ignore my face. I don't know what's wrong with all the little spots. I literally just got Curology and try to solve it. So we're gonna hope and pray. Maybe I should wait to put this on until after. I'll give you guys a little sample of what it looks like. So it's this pretty red lip. We'll put it on at the end after it's all said and done. So today, this look is subscriber suggested. I've had a lot of requests for a New Year's Eve look, and I had this look sent in to me and I thought it was just perfect for that. Oh my gosh, the light is changing rapidly, I apologize. I thought that this look was gonna be perfect for one of those New Year's Eve looks. So today we are going to be doing that. I apologize that these videos are so delayed still. Like I know I keep saying sorry and like it's still happening. I want these videos to be the best that they can be, and for this look I didn't have the correct colors in my palettes that I wanted, so I went out yesterday and bought some palettes. I knew by the time that I was going to get home it was going to be dark, so I'm going to try to get a few more looks done today. By the end of this week we're going to be caught up. We need to. It's almost Christmas. So I'll put it on the screen here. I am going to try and recreate this look. Okay, so today I'm going to be using the Naked by Urban Decay palette. Also going to be going into this Butter Me Up palette by ColourPop.
3 hours later.
This is the 3rd time I'm trying this look. Starting with Gunmetal in the Naked palette. Don't work well with dark colors is what I'm finding. Keeping a clean brush nearby to blend out the edges here. Next, I'm going in with Night Dream in my ColourPop palette. I'm placing this all on my lid, and I'm going to blend it upwards. Okay, maybe we're getting somewhere. Maybe. Maybe the third time is the charm. I'm blending it up ever so slightly onto my brow bone, but not a lot. Lord! Ah. I'm just hoping it's all gonna come together once I do my face makeup and put on lashes. I don't know. Okay, now time to cut the crease. How is this happening? Do you ever just want to cry? Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna forget about this eye, we're gonna do this eye, okay? If you're doing this for New Year's practice, no. Going back into the black in my ColourPop Night Dream. Oh, Lord Jesus. Okay, first I'm gonna go ahead and put some of the Night Dream underneath my lash. And I'm gonna take another brush and smoke it out. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna finish myself, and then we're gonna be back in just a moment. Okay, now that it looks like I have one black eye. Oh my gosh, we have to put on the lip. I look crazy. I'm well aware of it. We're gonna go ahead and finish off this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. This one was a true struggle, but thank you for bearing with me for it. Tried my best. If you guys are not subscribed already, be sure to click that subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell as well so you don't miss when I post a video. I am absolutely going to be vlogging my New Year's Eve, so if you guys are interested in seeing that, be sure to subscribe down below. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram. I'm going to be posting a lot of holiday content. I'm posting every day on there, and I'm going to be going live a bunch starting very soon once I catch up to all of this. I've been literally just filming and editing constantly recently, so like I haven't had time, but soon. Very soon. Also, if you guys are not part of my Amanda's Lovely Little Fam Facebook group, be sure to go and join there. Be sure to answer all the questions, so I'm sure to accept you. And you can follow me on Twitter as well if you'd like. I love you guys endlessly. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next video, stay blessed and don't forget to live lovely. Bye.